Farmland is one of the most stable and recession-resistant investments available. While stocks swing and real estate prices fluctuate, farmland has consistently appreciated, providing investors with a steady stream of passive income. With the world's population growing and food demand increasing, owning a piece of farmland can be a lucrative long-term strategy. There are multiple ways to invest in farmland, depending on your budget and level of involvement. Buying a farm outright gives full control over the land, allowing investors to lease it to farmers or cultivate crops themselves. The main benefits include potential land appreciation, annual rental income, and tax advantages. However, purchasing farmland requires capital, maintenance, and market knowledge. For a hands-off approach, farmland real estate investment trusts, or REITs, provide an opportunity to invest in agricultural properties without direct ownership. These publicly traded companies own and lease farmland, distributing rental income as dividends to investors. Major farmland REITs include Gladstone Land and Farmland Partners. Farmland crowdfunding allows investors to own fractional shares of agricultural land. Platforms like AcreTrader and Farm Together offer low-barrier entry points, enabling individuals to invest with as little as $10,000. These platforms handle property management, making it a truly passive investment. Investing in companies that operate in the agricultural sector, such as John Deere, Archer Daniels Midland, or agricultural ETFs like VanEck Agribusiness ETF, provides exposure to farmland's growth without owning physical land. These stocks benefit from the increasing demand for food and agricultural technology. Farmland investing combines stability, passive income, and long-term growth. Whether purchasing land, investing in REITs, or using crowdfunding, farmland remains a powerful wealth-building asset. With increasing global food demand, owning farmland today can secure financial benefits for decades.